Challenge and Change is a course that largely studies society, how society interacts with one another, how society is in relationship to one another. It's a course that largely studies you. There's literally a course on adolescence, but it's not about what it's like growing up. It's about how teenagers have particular emotions and why that might be the case. Challenge and Change is a course that is very psychological, sociological, and anthropological, very similar to the introduction course that you might see in grade 11 as well. Challenge and Change is a course where we study research that has been done, as well as doing our own research by way of, let's say, case studies or different media interpretations that we might have. Very interesting course. There actually is quite a bit of work in Challenge and Change, and I know that might sound scary, but it's a lot of work that's being done alongside a teacher or an advisor. It's a lot of progress work. So for example, you have a big project due in December, which you actually start at the end of September. You have about 5 units, and you have a unit test per unit. So you have a lot of preparation time. The course is largely lecture-based, but I can't shy away from the fact that Challenge and Change does have a good amount of work. With that said, it's very doable and very accessible. The course largely focuses on the now and what's relevant today. A lot of the case studies that we do are what's news at the moment. So if you're really up to date on things, or you're just curious about how the world works, it's the right course for you. There isn't a ton of writing in the course by way of formal writing. A lot of the writing is research-based or different types of reviews. So you don't necessarily need to be this outstanding writer in the course, but that said, it would certainly help. So this course is actually really helpful for students that want to go into university, because a lot of first-year courses, you're required electives. Psychology and sociology are some of the most popular electives that you can take. This course tackles psychology and sociology at a very introductory level. So if you are interested in taking an arts program in university, this course will certainly tackle some of the key people, key concepts, and key topics that you'll hear about in university. If not in your first year, then at least in the next 3 to 4 years after that.